What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program error on your Windows PC. First, try to figure out which program currently has the file open. To do this, open File Explorer and navigate to the directory where the problematic file is located. If you are trying to delete the file, attempt the deletion again. When the error pop-up appears, check if the name of the program using the file is mentioned in the message. If it is, take note of it. Next, you'll need to close the program holding onto the file. To do this, search for Task Manager in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the Task Manager window, go to the Processes tab, where all active programs and processes are listed. Look for the program name you noted earlier. If you find it, right-click on it and select End Task from the drop-down menu. This will terminate the program and release the file. If you can't locate the program manually, use the search bar at the top of the Task Manager. Type the program's name onto the search field. Once it appears, follow the same steps. Right-click and select End Task. After closing the program, return to File Explorer and try to delete the file again. In most cases, it will resolve the issue. If the problem persists, it might be because a file in your temporary folder is causing the conflict. Temporary files are stored on your system for quick access, but can sometimes interfere with other processes. To address this, search for %temp% in your Start menu search and hit Enter. This will open the temporary files folder in your File Explorer. Delete all the files in this folder by selecting them and using the shortcut Shift and Delete. Don't worry if some files can't be deleted. They are likely in use and can be skipped. Once you've cleared out the temp folder, try deleting the problematic file again. If the error still isn't resolved, you can use the Resource Monitor to pinpoint the process using the file. Search for Resource Monitor in your Start menu and open it. Navigate to the CPU tab and expand the associated handled section. In the search bar within the section, type the exact name of the file you're trying to delete. If you have the file name copied, you can paste it here. The results below will show which process is holding onto the file. Right-click on the first result and select End Process. Once done, return to File Explorer and delete the file again. Following these steps should help resolve the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program error. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.